As you can see, this is Vohn. He over here trying new things. Only at Colorful Sauce we doing this. Now I'm gonna pull it back so y'all can see exactly what he's doing. And you can ask the question later. This is what my dog is doing. Trucks, whatever this thing is, a crane. Okay. Oh my gosh, you seeing? He's shy. Vohn, what do you have to say for yourself?
I have nothing to say yet.
Yes, you do. What do you have to say? As I zoomed in, he got a little darker, so let me pull it out.
Come on, man, that black.
What you gotta say? Say something.
I'm having fun.
What?
I'm having fun.
You having fun?
Yeah.
He's having fun, guys. All right. Well, I know what. This is our scenery here. Let me pull out.
We are high.
We are really high. Let me turn around quickly over here. We are high. Whew. Don't disregard the people. But this is Alexis Maloy on the back, and this is Vohn Marshall in the front. Coming to you live from Colorful Socks. Show your socks!
You is stupid.
With them lime green shoes.
Come on now.
All right. Bye, y'all. Say bye.
Bye.